The 4500 PSI Electric Power Washer is a powerful cleaning tool with an upgraded 1800-watt motor that generates a maximum of 4,500 pounds per square inch and 2.5 gallons per minute of water flow. The washer features a touchscreen for 15-level pressure adjustment, allowing you to easily adjust the water pressure for various cleaning tasks. The power washer comes with 5 interchangeable nozzles for different cleaning requirements, from high and hard to reach areas to spraying soaps and detergents. This high-pressure washer is portable, lightweight, and easy to store, with a unique 3-section retractable pull rod and wheel for easy movement. The Fengrong brand ensures professional customer service and is committed to providing a good experience for its customers. With a review score of 4.4 and a reasonable price of $199.0, this electric power washer offers excellent value for money, coupled with high performance and versatile functionality.